my Instagram followers think that I find very affordable Pinteresty tops from Myntra, and I'm not gonna gatekeep this. So here's a quick haul of summer tops that I got under rupees 500 from Myntra. Let's check it out. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. This is Khushi Jain. I've been a content creator for 4 years on Instagram, and I've been posting fashion content for past year. And this is my first clothing haul video for YouTube. And I've got summer tops under 500 rupees from Myntra. So let's see everything that I've got. I've got so many and I've already opened them. So let's see how they fit on me. First one is this floral top that I've got. It has bow type detailing in the front. You can wear something inside, and if you're comfortable wearing as it is with a nude bra or a stick-ons, totally works. And if you don't feel comfortable showing your skin little much, you can just wear a white spaghetti top or yeah, I guess white should work. So you can definitely try this, and this is how it looks on me. It looks really pretty. I had another top in same pattern with some different designs, but I just love how this color is screaming so much summer. I mean, this is so summer coded, so I definitely like this one. Okay, the next one seemed really pretty. This is how it looks, but when I got it, I was so disappointed. I mean, it's so loose from the shoulders, from the back, and I don't know how it's supposed to even fit. I even tried to like kind of fit in, but maybe it just does. I have just ordered the wrong size, I guess. I'm just gonna show you. This is how the top has come, and I usually order S or M sizes depending on the cloth, depending on the fabric. So I thought this top seemed like something that would come tight to me, so I just ordered one size bigger for me, but it's way too loose. I mean, look at it. I don't know who, like, two of me could fit in this. I don't know why did I even order, so I'm gonna return this. But the top is like really pretty. If you wanna order, just order one size less, and if that doesn't fit, you can replace it anytime. I mean, Myntra has great features of replacing and returning, so you can always do that. The next one that I got is this polka dot top. This is how it looks. It's very office coded and perfect for summer. I mean, the color is very summer coded, but you can also wear it in your office, college, or something where you have to wear formal. And you can definitely style this top with light jeans or white trousers or maybe black trousers too. It will go really well with all these colors. Okay, the next one is this red top. Red is of course summer color, and look at the bow detailings on the shoulder. It looks so perfect and also so cute. You can style this top in so many ways with your jeans, with your trousers, and it's gonna elevate your look so good. Summers is all about tank tops, and pretty tank tops like these are must in your wardrobe. Basic tank tops definitely do elevate your look, but an a tank top that has few cute detailings on it is definitely something that will make you stand out. Next top is this very floral pinkish top. I didn't like that much. I mean, it looks good, but it's not my type of thing. Print is fine. The uh, formation of sleeve, everything is just so perfect. The stitching and all of that is great, but when it comes to fabric, it's polyester, so I'm not a big fan of wearing polyester clothes. It's kind of very itchy and irritating during summer, but overall the finishing, the look that it gives, it's really pretty. You can definitely wear to colleges or your office where you have dress code. This is something you can definitely wear there. Another piece of clothing that was way too loose for my body. I don't know what does this brand do when I say it's S or M, because S is like 32 or M is max 34 or maybe 36. I don't know what kind of body would fit in this, because look at this. Let me just show you. I'm adding a picture and also the link in the description. So if you wanna buy this, just buy one size smaller because this is definitely not fitting you guys. If you are someone who is same as my size, this won't fit you. Just go for an XS or S, I guess. I think XS should be perfect because even S would be bigger than I mean, bigger than the actual size. So XS should perfectly fit you. Look at how cute this top looks. The colors are so vibrant and the stitch, the detailings are so pretty. I mean, I you can't see it on the screen, but it's so pretty and also so affordable. I'm definitely taking this to my Goa trip only if someone asks me to join them. I love how it looks. I mean, it's just so flowy and so girly. I love this look so much. Next one is this pink linen kind of shirt that I got with half sleeve. It has puff sleeves, so it really elevates someone who has thin hands like mine. I usually go for puff sleeves so that it looks um I mean, the outfit looks more elevated than usual, but I'm not a huge fan of this tie up in the front, so I'm gonna tie it back and see how it looks. Okay, this kind of looks better than how it looks in the front. I love the fabric. The fabric is really breathable and perfect for summer. Someone, because this is not like a rough material, it's like more like linen. I'm not sure if it's linen. I mean, I am that person who cannot deal with summer at all, and I really want loose clothes. I want breathable clothes. I can't do with polyester nor jeans or anything. I just wear linen clothes or cotton clothes all the time. So this shirt is definitely a hit for me. I think biggest mistake we do while shopping online is not reading description of fabric and all of that, because I got this and oh my god, it's so bad. I'm wearing right now, but like it does not hit. It's a miss, definitely. I don't know what did I think before buying it because I thought it was cotton and the picture looked so pretty. But when I'm wearing right now, it just looks like, I don't know, just some satin, cheap satin cloth that's just roughly stitched and not stitched properly. So definitely a no. Next one is this really cute top. If you know me personally, you know I'm a more like a sleeveless kind of girl. I love sleeveless tops and especially the peplum tops that like give you a really good structure and makes you look really cute. And these are like my favorite tops, these kind of tops. And this one is so pretty and the fabric is just so comfortable on your skin. Last one is this cute top, but it's kind of revealing a bit. I mean, it doesn't look like it's revealing, so it's like a wrap around top, and I love the color. I love the print. It's way too good. It's proper for summer. You can style it with a skirt. You can style it with trousers. It's a bit revealing, or maybe you might need just a fashion tape to fix it. But I feel it's. I mean, if you are comfortable, guys, you can definitely wear it. But then I wore it and I found it little uncomfortable because it was keep on moving and I have to stay focused so that it doesn't reveal anything. And that was kind of minus point for me. But I think you can work with it if you have a fashion tape maybe. Also, I've recently found that instead of using this fashion tapes, you can use Fevicol's glue drops and the fabric will actually stay for a longer time than this fashion tapes, because even I've used fashion tapes and I am not really big fan of it because they just don't stay, and all the time I have to just fix it with my hair like this or this, so it's kind of annoying. So I'm not sure, even I haven't used, but I saw this one reel. And if you're trying out, please let me know. Or if you have already tried out, please let me know in the comment section if that works or not. Okay, that's it for today's haul. I hope you all loved it. I hope you will find them pretty like I do. And if you want the links for all of these clothes, I'll be adding in the description box. And also, please comment and let me know what more do you want to see on this page. And if you liked my video, if you liked what I'm posting here, please subscribe and like, comment, and share. Until then, bye bye. Take care. I love you all.